Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to earn money from online by doing a simple task or simple jobs. First of all, open the Google and search for the daily online jobs like which I shown in my video. And next one is click on the web page daily online jobs and the page will open like this. Next one, scroll down and read the instructions which is given by the website. First one is home. In this home they are providing the content like this: wanted part-time workers online, per month 15,000 rupees, work from home and office, college and anywhere. Next one is 100% guaranteed weekly or monthly payments. Next one is work and your own free time. Next one is no need any previous experience and they are providing 24 into 7 customer service. Next one is no investment is required. It's completely free to join and work. Next one, they are providing 500 rupees as a joining bonus. Okay. Next one, you can earn money by doing a simple task like copy paste, article writing and quiz. Next, job availables. They are providing copy cut paste and article writing. If you complete one task, a copy cut paste task means they are providing 10 rupees. Next one is article writing. For one article they are providing 15 rupees. Next, for one quiz program they are providing 5 rupees each day. You can earn money easily by doing quiz, copy paste and article works. Next one is bonus email. They will provide 4 emails each day. You can earn 5 rupees by simply verifying that email. Next one is these are the benefits. These are the benefits. You can work from anywhere and work anytime. They are providing easy payments. There is no limit or target. Instant updates. They are providing instant updates. Next one is 24 into 7 customer support. If you have any problem means you can mail to this ID. And next one is they are providing a simple demo work. First you want to log in daily online jobs account and choose your job like copy cut paste or article writing or quiz something. In copy cut paste they will provide an ad. You want to copy the description of ad and you want to share in other websites like this. You want to search free classified posting ads in Google. The result will be like this. You want to click in free classified ads in India. Click on it. Next one is after you choose that free classified website, just post your ad by clicking on website. You can choose the job title is it part-time or full-time or any other jobs. You want to choose anyone. After you choosing that, you want to provide a job title, whatever you want. You want to provide a job title and job description which is copied on your daily website, daily online job website, and paste here. Next one is provide any email ID. Next one is mobile number. If it is necessary means provide mobile number. Next one is some websites need to log in to post any ads. Next one is after you post ad, they will send a verification email to your account. After you verifying your email, copy the URL which you posted your ad in their website and paste that in your daily online job website like this. You can paste it and submit the URL. If your URL is okay means they will provide 10 rupees for each URL which is provided by you. Next one is you can check your earnings, how much money you earn by doing a different jobs in this website. Like I will show here. Scroll down. You can log in with your Google account or any other email IDs. In this website, I already have an account. Just I am typing the password. I log in with my Google account. The website is open. This is my website, my page, my membership login. In this you can see my balance is approximately 920 rupees which I earn since last 1 week. You can see your my earnings by clicking my earnings. See, my earning summary is joining bonus they provided 500 rupees. Next, I done the copy paste work up to 410 rupees. Next one is they are providing daily login bonus as I think 0.5 rupees something. Next one is by clicking advertisement also they are providing money. Here you can see my total earning is approximately 920 rupees. You can withdraw your money by sending a payment request to the daily online job website. You can withdraw money in this website is 5000 rupees. If you earn 5000 rupees in this website means you can withdraw it anytime. Thank you for watching my videos. For more updates, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. You can see more videos in other languages in my channel Rupesh VVD. Thank you.